What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So what I'm going to just do is a quick update of what happened with the Amazon aftermarket intake manifold. So as expected, like I told you guys, that little kind of like vacuum port that I had mentioned I was very uncomfortable about, well, the expected happened. As soon as I got on the car for a little bit, it wound up blowing out and actually ricocheted and landed on top of the valve cover, so I was able to find it. But luckily, as soon as it happened, coming back from work, I got on the phone, called my local Ford dealer, and $75 later, surprising, I was able to get the correct OEM intake manifold next day. Popped it in, which is, so $75 later at your local Ford dealer, I got the correct intake manifold, which is the one that is in place during the intake manifold spacer video. So that's the one before this one, like 1 or 2 videos. So check out that video and basically just avoid any aftermarket intake manifolds for this car unless it is like the Mountoon steel intake manifold or a replacement through Ford. I have seen a couple of other companies make intake manifolds with like much larger plenum areas. They look kind of weird. They actually take up more space than what I would like for $200 or $300 less of what the Mountoon does. So just real quick update on that situation. Other than that, the car's running good. The boost reference adapter already made a huge difference. Once I got up to 5th and 6th gear cruising on the highway, I no longer have the leakage happening once I'm cruising at like 2300 RPM. So that is definitely a much needed install whenever you perform your blow-off valve insert. Coming up in a few videos, I am probably going to be installing an upgraded spring for the blow-off valve, so keep an eye out on that. I may do a install video. I may just do a short because it's not really that in-depth and involved. If you saw the install video for the Turbo Smart blow-off valve, and I actually opened up the entire assembly, that's basically how you replace your spring. That spring, I want to say is about $50 or so. I'll get the definite numbers and then I'll pop them in somewhere around here. But that's it for this one. I got some more stuff coming up. As of right now, nothing huge. There is one significant install that I want to do coming up. That's going to be a big help when you're jacking up the car. But until then, Wrench Daily.